Hello and welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and the theme is Mellow Yellow. So my tablescape has a yellow napkin, yellow and blue flowers, very pretty. And I have them in a farmhouse pitcher. And I've got this cup, a bird that's yellow, a cloche with some lemons in it for that little touch of yellow, some yellow candles, and I have this large crystal wine glass and a bee honeycomb pitcher that I recently ordered from Amazon. I had showcased that in last night's open collab Cozy Corner, our vignette. So here is a close-up of the napkin, and I just added a little lemon and fork to it. And here is the salad plate with the pretty blue flowers. And that was from the Dollar General for just $1. And with the matching dinner plate. I think that's so pretty. Again, just $1. And these I have showcased before too. They're the Dolly Parton placemats, again from the Dollar General. And then I added this really pretty flowered table runner and my lemon salt and pepper shakers. So this is mainly lemon yellow and blue tablescape. So here is my yellow candles in a gold candle holder. Again, a look at the flowers. So another look at the table setting. I have to admit, I put this together very quickly. So a very good deal at the Dollar General for the plates. And the yellow napkins, I did order those from Amazon. And then there's just a silver napkin holder. And I just tucked in the little leaf with lemon on it. So I think this looks really cute. Y'all have to let me know what you think. So I'm going to take you around the table now. Now on the ends, I only had 2 of the yellow napkins, so I'm using a cream color napkin just on the ends, again with the silver napkin ring and a little lemon pick. And the cloche again with the lemons in it. So I think this turned out really pretty. I love the look of yellow and blue together. And I even have some lemon picks in with the flowers. And again with my yellow napkin. And my pretty bee pitcher. I love the little honeycomb look of it with a little bumblebee on it. Isn't that cute? Like I said, that was from Amazon. So that's my newest purchase. And then I'm going to take you over to my side table where I have mainly lemons and limes in my Magnolia Table cookbook, my Mackenzie Child candle holders, and another new purchase was this beautiful bow with bees on it and buffalo check from Amazon. Isn't that pretty? And I just added it to a wreath and hung it under the shelf. And I added some lemon cups from the Dollar Tree, some potted little lemons, and my little gnomes dressed up as little bees, and a honeycomb, and this cup here, but you can call me Queen Bee. I've had that for a long time. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Now be sure to check out the playlist and leave everyone a comment and a like. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye for now.